here at Red Creek doing a little rock hounding. It's actually nice in Mississippi today. It's only like 85 degrees, which is a nice change of pace for us. It's been in the upper 90s, close to 100. Bet you he goes in the hole. If I know my son, he's gonna try to go in one of those holes.
Daddy, there's a lot of cans up in here, up in this hole.
It's not an agate. I have no clue what this is. Looks like some kind of fossil. If y'all know, let me know in the comments. Tiny guy. Alright, I think this is gonna be our first decent find. I think that's an agate. Not the prettiest, but it's definitely an agate. Yeah, it's an agate of some sort. I don't even think I'm gonna take this home, but pretty cool. All right, so here's another agate. Again, it is not big at all, but we're back on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and this is, for the most part, about what we find down here. We've got a cottage in Natchez, and every time we go up there, we find some really good stuff, but it's about 3.5 hour drive from where we're at in Gulfport. So Occasionally we'll find some decent sized pieces down here, but for the most part, they're gonna be small like this. We just don't have many options down here, or at least haven't discovered those as of yet. Told Easton I thought it was going to rain on the way up here. He didn't think so. And now he wants to move up creek to look for some agates. I don't think there's going to be rocks on these sandbars up here, but he does. So we're going to give him the benefit of the doubt, and we're going to go check it out and see if we can find some agates up here somewhere. Y'all, I am pumped about this. I've never found something like this on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Pretty sure that this is a Lake Superior agate. Look at that. That is not wet. That is dry. Oh my. And it looks like there's waterline banding on it as well. Wow. We have never found something like this. Look at that. Oh my. Small, but very mighty to us. That is too cool. Right here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast.